Happy birthday,
Hey, buddy. Happy birthday.
We love you so much. You are God's greatest gift to us, truly. And we just want to say how proud we are that you have become such a kind and thoughtful young man, so generous and kind. And we are just amazed at how you crack us up every day. You're so fun to be around with, and you're so intelligent, you're so talented. You're such a good person with such a good character, and that you follow Jesus. We love so much about you.
We pray that you continue to follow the Lord and live a life full of integrity and courage and fortitude. And we can't wait to celebrate with you and your friends and your family and your loved ones this weekend.
Love you, boo.
Love you, buddy.
You're the best. And the girls kind of say happy birthday to you too. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Owen. See you soon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Owen. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay!
Hi, Owen.
Happy birthday, Owen. How are you today?
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hope you have a special good day.
We miss you. We love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Owen.
Happy birthday,
birthday,
Owen.
Owen.
We love you and we miss you.
We hope you have a great day, Owen.
Happy birthday, Owen. We hope you have a great day. We love you and just happy birthday.
Hi, Owen.
Wait, I thought you were saying happy birthday. You missed it with the girl.
Happy birthday, Owen.
Happy birthday, Owen. What I love about you is you're always there for us and you like to teach us lacrosse. And also, I like that you like playing video games with us. And what I love about you is that you always like to teach us new things every visit. Like lacrosse one visit, and then next gaga ball and the trampoline.
Owen, hi Owen. Some things I like about you are you're always ready to play, and I love how active you are, and I like your laugh.
Owen, some of the things I love about you are how playful you are and how sweet you are to the littler kids.
About you is I like to play with you, and I like to play with you, Hannah, Becca, me, Kaya, Lizzie. Bye. That's all mine. I love you. Bye. Bye. Love you. Bye.
Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer.
Gamer versus gamer.